Guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So I had many of you asking me to create this video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get free gems in 99 Nights in the Forest. This is a brand new Roblox game that's really popular, and I've managed to find a secret code that you can enter in 99 Nights in the Forest, and it's going to supply you with 1,000 diamonds for completely free. This is super easy, taking just a few minutes, and this is the fastest and easiest method to get diamonds in 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox. So let's get into the tutorial. As you can see, I've actually been searching Google and YouTube, and I tried tons of different methods, and what I'm going to show you is the easiest and fastest method that I discovered. So you're going to want to go to your mobile phone internet browser. You can see here I've got an iPhone, but it doesn't matter which phone you have, and you need to go to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So you can just type this into your mobile phone internet exactly as I have done here, and it's going to take you to this awesome codes website. They actually have loads of games on here. They don't only have Roblox games, they have pretty much every game you can think of, with some absolutely awesome rewards and codes. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is use that search bar at the top of the page there and just type in 99 Nights in the Forest, and you're looking for this page here, guys. This is a codes page. As you can see, this is a brand new game, and there are not many codes currently available, but you can get a code here. You can see this is pretty popular. A few people are using this, and if you scroll down, this is a secret code for 99 Nights in the Forest, and this is going to get you 1,000 free diamonds or free gems, whatever you want to call them, guys. And you click on get code here. Like I said, this is a secret code. There are not many currently working codes. So yeah, I highly recommend you do this. This is you just basically enter it in the Roblox menu in the redeem code, the usual field. And you can see you need to unlock your code. Obviously 1,000 diamonds is pretty valuable, so you do need to basically reveal your full code here by clicking this button and just following the instructions on this page. So I'm just going to skip through this, but basically you need to complete 2 of the free tasks below. So these are like quests here. You need to complete 2 of them, and it's going to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Make sure you do follow the instructions. I've accidentally clicked one, but basically this is a survey, and you just answer the questions, and you have to fill in your valid email. Really easy. Just complete 2 tasks, following the instructions, and your secret code will then be unlocked here, and you can go ahead, redeem it in 99 Nights in the Forest, and that is going to supply you with 1,000 free gems or free crystals, whatever you want to call them, diamonds. But yeah, that is the easiest method, guys. You've just got to go to Cold Coupons, find the 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox codes page, and that is how to get free gems in 99 Nights in the Forest. So hit the like button, subscribe. If you need any help, just drop a comment in the comment section below, and I can try and help you out. But anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.